Hey friend, welcome back to The Gentle Reset, your no judgment zone for creating a home that actually works for you. I'm Allison, ADHD home and systems coach, former occupational therapist, and mom of two, and I'm so glad you're here. Last week in episode 47, we talked about the midsummer reset and letting go of the guilt when summer isn't going how you planned. If you missed that one, go give it a listen. Today, if you've got a trip still coming up this summer, then this episode is for you. We're talking about how to prep your home and your bags for vacation in an ADHD-friendly way so you can actually get out the door without the usual chaos. Here's your weekly 3, a mind hack, a home hack, and a personal highlight to help your home feel lighter, more functional, and easier to maintain. Today, we're talking about why vacation prep feels so overwhelming for ADHD brains, 5 simple systems that make packing and travel so much easier, and how to set future you up for an easier re-entry when you get home. And hey, real quick, don't forget to hit follow now so you don't miss next week's episode. We're talking about how to keep up with your home when there's basically zero routine left in the summer. Let's jump in. Here's the mindset shift I want you to hear today. Vacation prep doesn't feel hard because you're disorganized. It feels hard because it's a huge pile of decisions all at once. Think about everything your brain is trying to hold when you pack for a trip. What does everyone need? How many outfits? Did I pack enough for the baby? What about chargers, medications, snacks, the things we always forget? For an ADHD brain, that's a lot. It's decision after decision, plus trying to hold it all in your working memory at the same time, which is exactly the kind of mental load that feels draining and overwhelming. So no wonder it feels like a lot. It is a lot. But here's the good news. The fix isn't trying harder or having a better memory. The fix is a repeatable system. So you're not starting from scratch and rebuilding the whole thing in your head every single time. When the system holds the information, your brain doesn't have to. So let me walk you through the system I actually use. I'm going to give you 5 simple and repeatable tips that make vacation prep so much easier. Tip number 1, make a master packing list by person. This is a big one. I have a list for each person in our family, and I just pull it up every time we travel. I'm not trying to remember what everyone needs, the list already knows. And here's the key tip. Update it as your kids grow. When they outgrow the stroller, the diapers, the special snacks, take those things off. And as they need new things, add them on. Your list grows with your family, so it always stays accurate. And the bonus? Your kids can use their own list too. Even younger kids can help pack their own things when there's a simple list to follow. That takes the load off you and helps them feel more capable and independent. Tip number 2, lay everything out ahead of time. Instead of packing and deciding at the same time, I lay things out first so packing just becomes assembling. Tip number 3, make activity and snack packs for each kid. This one is a game changer for the actual travel part. I make a little pack for each kid with snacks and activities, so I'm not constantly reaching back into a bag handing them things while I'm trying to travel. Everything they need is right there with them. And for the car specifically, I keep a bin between their seats and each kid has their own section for their stuff. iPad, headphones, their activity pack, their snacks, everyone has their own zone. I put my favorite car bin and zipper bags linked in the show notes. Go grab them now. Oh, and one tip for the moms with littles, a car potty is gold. When kids are small, it can save you so many emergency stops. Just keep it in the back for when you need it. Tip number 4, load the car like a puzzle. I pack everything into bags and bins first, then I line it all up behind the car and load it like a puzzle. It's so much easier than carrying random armfuls out and trying to make it all fit. Tip number 5, pre-sort your laundry before you head home. This one sets up your re-entry. Before we leave to come home, I sort our dirty laundry into separate bags. Kids' clothes in one, my clothes in another, towels and bedding in another, so when we walk in the door at home, I can throw a bag straight into the wash instead of facing one giant overwhelming pile. And when you get home, you don't have to unpack everything at once. Just handle the essentials first. The cooler, the food, the things that need to be washed, the rest can wait. That little bit of prep before you leave makes coming home so much gentler. And if you're a super overachiever, you can even wash your laundry before you leave wherever you vacationed at. I'll tell you, we just got back from a trip at the time I'm recording this episode, and I have to say the system really did its job. I packed for our whole family the morning we left, just working through our lists, and it didn't feel frantic or stressful. I actually did it all on my own without the last minute panic of what am I forgetting? And the car ride, the kids had their activity packs and their snacks. Everyone had their own little zone, and we barely even had to stop, maybe once in a whole 4 hours. There's something so nice about pulling out the driveway and not feeling that low-level dread of, I know I forgot something. That's what a system gives you. Not perfection, just a whole lot less chaos, and a trip that starts calm instead of frazzled. So here's what I want you to remember today. Vacation prep feels hard because it's a lot of decisions at once, not because you're disorganized. A master packing list by person means your brain doesn't have to hold it all. And a little prep before you leave makes coming home so much easier. Well, that's it for today, friend. Thank you for being here and spending this time with me today. And if you're not already following the podcast, make sure you hit follow so you don't miss the rest of our summer content. Remember, one small shift at a time creates momentum. You're doing better than you think, and I'm so proud of you. See you next week on The Gentle Reset for another weekly 3.